Good morning, folks. Today we're doing a job for Next Generation Coaching for Coach Rams using our printer cut with some football numbers, and we've had to do that in an hour and a half flat. So yeah, check it out. Come on, man. Yeah, I was saying. Yeah.
We're talking.
Nice.
Yeah, bro. The best in town, man.
There we go. There we
Best
go.
in town.
All right, man.
Appreciate it, honestly. You
All right,
guys
man.
have saved me massively.
Brilliant. All right.
I need to be back anyway because I got a big jacket and
Yeah, man.
one more kit. This is just only one age group.
When you're ready. Good luck, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, take a picture of the crew.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring it in. Yeah, of course. Yes.
All right, nice one.